welcome to my channel. So in this tutorials I'm going to show you how to add Facebook Messenger in your Shopify online store, or how can you add live chat feature in your website. So this tutorial will be helpful if you wanted to make your customer support more automation and increase your sales and customers experience. Then you can continue these tutorials with me. So first of all, I'm going to introduce with you a new trending plugin, uh, Shopify app, that actually we are going to use in this tutorials, and I am going to show you how we can add this app in your Shopify online store. So this app name is Facebook Chat Box Live Chat. So this app actually for live chat featured and free live chat by Facebook Messenger. So you no need to pay any payment, any single money for this app to add in your online store, and that will help you to connect to all your customers, and you can take care anytime of your customers and boost your sales and get more profit from your business. So I'm going to check the full description of this app, and let's check now about Facebook chatbox live chat feature. So can be integrated for use with Shopify chat apps. You can take advantage of the feature or Shopify chat app and when you using our app. Okay, and we can set up getting messages and pop-up, automatically set up session times and chatbot function, a Facebook chat icon with your Facebook page image, so that will help you to make your business more brandable, and Facebook chat box display on the both desktop and mobile or others option. Facebook chat icon work on all browsers, even Safari. So you have to know worry about the browsers issues. Also put the Facebook chat icon anywhere in your website. You can add this and keep this icon anywhere in your website, and basically we will add this chat messenger in the bottom right corner. Okay, there have a lot of automation featured, like automatically set response time, typically reply instantly, reply in minute, reply within hours and few hours and within a day. And there are three type of Facebook chat icon. Okay, so now we are going to check some media gallery of this app. So this app look like this one, like this image, and we can set up and customize it from our app section of the dashboard. Then we can set the icon. So okay, so this will be very easy for you if you follow my guideline. So first of all, I am going to log in my Shopify online store. So I type Shopify, then click on the login. Then I'm going to click on my store name, then it will be automatically logged in my website. Okay, so now I am in the admin panel and going to click on the apps button in the left side from the dashboard menu button. Then going to click on the view the Shopify app store, click on here, and now we search this app in the app store. It is by auto kidding. So I'm going to search this app in the app store, click on the apps search icon, sorry, excuse me. Okay, I got this one, and we are going to use this one, and it has already 400 plus review. So I think many people using this chat box. So going to click on the Facebook chat box live chat icon, and title. Now going to click on the add app. Okay, we have added this app. Now we have to install the app in our store, so I'm going to click on the install app button right here. Okay, we have installed it, and so I'm going to skip this video. Okay, here are the settings we have to do. App installed. Now we have to connect Facebook page. Okay, so we have to connect a Facebook page. Right now we have already finished 50% of setting up of this app, so I'm going to click on the connect Facebook page link. So going to click on here, then they will show you me introduction, but I am going to skip this one. I'm going to click on here this button, and from here I have to connect my Facebook page, which one I wanted to add in my Shopify online store. Okay, so I'm going to click on the continue as Foysal Ahmed, and now going to select a plugin page which one I wanted to add in my Shopify online store. So I'm going to add this one, select this one and click on the next, and going to click on the done button. Okay, I have linked this app right now, so going to click on the now. Okay, I have done. So next I'm going to click on again, select the page from here and click on the connect. Wow, this page is successfully connected. Now if I visit my website, then I can see the Facebook Messenger. Okay, so now I'm going to visit my website, going to click on here. Then I hope I can see the messenger of icon in my website, as I have added this chat picture or chat messenger. So just waiting to load full website. So I need to set up this one. I have to set up the icon, move anywhere. So I'm going to click on the basic settings, then select chat icon position. We can also change the custom colors, getting message, response time, and icon position. I like to position in the left, so I select the icon position the left. Now going to click on the save, then I can see my icon right here. So going to refresh my website, and I hope this will appear in right here right now. so you need to wait a little bit time to. Okay, it's F right here, so we can fix this position from here. High position and chat icon position left to right and top and bottom. So I hope you you understand these settings, so you no need any ori or technical skill to do this. You can easily add this icon or Facebook messenger live chat option in your website. So thank you for your time to watch this video. So if you need any help relevant Shopify online store or setting up your online store or anything relevant to your online business, then you can contact with me. I can help you as a Shopify freelance expert. Thank you for your time.